Where would you like to go if you had a new energy vehicles with a range of 1,000 kilometers in 5 minutes of charging? At present, range anxiety is one of the key issues needs to be addressed in the development of electric vehicles, and lithium batteries are the key to solve the problem. With its small size, high energy density, and the rechargeability, lithium batteries has been used in mobile phones, cameras, computers, and other electronic devices since 1990s, and now is a popular choice in the power field, energy storage, and digital markets. The manufacture of lithium batteries involves 3 steps: whole manufacturing, self-fabrication, and the battery module assembly. The manufacturing of the poles directly determines the performance of the battery, and the positive and negative poles coated on the metal foil are the key. In order to ensure the surface flatness and cleanliness of the metal foil, extremely precise positioning of the poles and efficient local cleaning are required. However, conventional wet ethanol cleaning tends to damage the metal foil. We have launched an automated line for laser cleaning of positive and negative poles, which is applied to the laser local cleaning of the coating layer. The processing excellence rate is over 99.5% and can process 72 products per minute. To meet the demand for higher capacity, we developed the front-end roll divider and the back-end lithium die cutting machine in the automation line. And the demand for lithium production equipment will increase by 100.3% year-on-year in 2021. We have created a standard production matching laser system for the lithium industry, a lithium laser processing system for 2 liters, a 3C digital batteries laser processing system, and a power battery laser processing system. In the energy storage market, in addition to lithium, there's another big giant, photovoltaic. What are the black technologies in it? We will reveal it in the next episode.